Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your booking.com calendar link. So first head over to your booking.com admin page and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on calendar and pricing, then click on sync calendars. Then next from here, click on add calendar connection. Now from here, we're going to skip the import calendar step. So click on export. So before we proceed, we're just going to give our calendar connection a name. Then click on go to export. And just by that, we have now our calendar link. Just click on copy link to copy your calendar link. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.